from beautiful sunny London. Today we're going to be exploring Notting Hill, and I am joined by Jess, who is a bit of an expert on London. You could almost say that she wrote the book on London, hey!
So I wrote The Local Guide to London. It's a PDF guide that tells you all of the best local recommendations for things to do, see, eat, and drink around the city.
You can find the link in the description below, so do that. But first of all, let us show you around Notting Hill. Let's go!
Yeah.
So the first stop on our tour of Notting Hill is going to be Farm Girl Cafe, which is a really cute Australian-style cafe where you can get some really delicious food and drinks, such as...
There's avocado toast, of course.
Classic.
They have lots of vegan options, lots of vegetarian and gluten-free options, granola, breakfast bowls, lots of stuff.
Our second stop is Alice's, which is an antique store right on Portobello Road.
And once you get your photos, you can also have a look at some of the beautiful teacups and drinking ware that they have here to make for a good souvenir.
Just a short 3-minute walk from Alice's is this beautiful urban jungle behind me.
It's called Wild at Heart, and it is a florist right in the middle of Westbourne Grove.
I've also just realized that inside the shop you will find public toilets, which is basically like gold dust here in London, so... Not that Instagrammable though, I'm afraid. This isn't really an Instagram tip, but we just wandered inside this store called Ragyard. And it's so beautiful, all the sequins and these really gorgeous jackets. So if you're out for a really unique piece, then I highly recommend you come here. I want all of these. So I just picked up a new dress for $5 at one of these stalls because #Instagram. And right here is Electric Cinema, which is kind of a nice offbeat choice for a shoot. And it's particularly nice for those top-down shots of your feet. So let me show you what I have in mind. So the distillery wasn't originally on my list, but then Jess alerted me to it.
Yeah, it's a gin distillery that serves amazing cocktails. They also serve food. They have gin courses, and then they even have a hotel with 4 rooms upstairs.
Jess's guide is actually a real gem because there are so many places. I mean, I used to live in London for 4 years, and there are so many places you'll never have heard of, even as a local. So if that's something you're after, then hit my girl up.
Yeah.
Our next stop is the Biscuit Series, which pretty much says what it does on the tin, and it sells biscuits. I'm so sorry.
You can also, if you have kids, go and actually adults can do it too. You can go and decorate your own biscuits.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, it's really cute.
I would totally do that, but also most importantly, it has a really pretty storefront, so you can sit there, annoy the shopkeepers, and take really nice pictures for Instagram. Right now we're visiting Codrington Mute, and the artwork behind us across the entire wall is actually the cover of Tom York's album The Eraser. It's gorgeous. And the reason they have musical artwork here is because, Jess?
This is XL Recordings, a recording studio, and it's actually where Adele recorded her first album, I Have Read.
This is how Jess feels about helping me with this video. One of our spots is actually gone at the moment. It's a beautiful mural, but you can't see it. And our final stop is the Churchill Arms, which is an extremely beautiful pub.
It serves Thai food, which is meant to be really, really good, actually.
There you go. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did and you'd like to find out more about London, where can they find your book, Jess?
There's a link down in the description of the video. It's called The Local Guide to London.
Incredible. And we'll see you next time, or rather, I'll see you next time. And Jess will see you over on her channel. Bye!